Hello, welcome back again with me here, Lina Dichiera at Great Home Kitchen and Garden. Today I'm going to show you that I harvest capsicum from my backyard garden. Let us show you. First of all, I want to show you here the capsicum is still small. It's not ready to pick yet, yeah? And then same as this one, still pretty tiny, and this one too. We need few more weeks to wait to harvest. I like it fresh capsicum. They're so crunchy and sweet, and yeah, I love it so much. And this is the most that I like it because they got antioxidant and vitamin C, and they are great for healthy, and they look fab in the garden too. As you can see here, a pretty tiny size of capsicum. Even the another one here also the same. Even this one also the same. So it's pretty much wait a few more weeks to grow a lot bigger. So here is the flower of capsicum. It's white color. They're gonna produce a lot of capsicum here. As you can see, a lot of flower around here. And this one is a pretty tiny capsicum. So this one also still small capsicum here, and same this one. And this is a perfect size. Look at this one, it's the perfect size. So yeah, so capsicum here that I have is still green color, but they can be multi type of color, is such a yellow, orange or red color if you leave it a few more weeks longer. Capsicum are excellent sources of vitamin A and vitamin C, and this capsicum also can use multi recipe like a stuffed, roasted, used as a stir fry, or simply eating raw also can. So in the Victoria, capsicum in the pack between March and November. So here I show you that I harvest my capsicum from my backyard garden. I use scissors. See this beautiful size. It's amazing and fresh. Yeah, as you can see here, it's perfect size, this one. Same as this one too. So I didn't pick many here, I just picked few for tonight for cook for dinner. Thank you for watching, and give a thumbs up and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.